This is Cayo Arena, the smallest island of the Dominican Republic. It's a few kilometers off the coast. I came here by boat. And you are watching ZoubeirsWorld. What is going on? I'm here in Punta Rukia or Rusia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe it's Rukia, Rusia. I don't know. Punta Rusia. Ooh, Rusia sounds good as well. Russian. Anyways, this is the place to take the boat to Cayo Arena or Paradise Island. It's somewhere 10 kilometers that direction. But there is one problem. I'm traveling alone, and when traveling alone it is always too expensive. You have to pay your car rental by yourself, the fuel by yourself, you have to pay the hotel all by yourself, even though the hotel is for a minimum of 2 people or even more. And also taking a boat by yourself. Well, this is the issue right now. I don't have that much money left in my pockets, and they charged me 5,000 pesos, and they went down to 4,000 to take me that way and back. 4,000, it's like, let me say 60, 50 euros, and that's a little bit too much for me at the moment. So I told them I will wait until a group of tourists will arrive and maybe we can share the boat. But look, the weather is quite good now, but if you look on the weather forecast, it will tell you it's raining the whole day, and I think that's the reason why there are no tourists coming to this place. And I'm really afraid that they will not come and that I cannot share a boat with somebody else. Let's hope for the best. I'm gonna stay here for a few hours, maybe 2 hours max, to see if somebody will come and so I can share a boat with them. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, I'm a little bit lucky today. 2 people just arrived. They are parking their car and they are also going to Cayo Arena, so I can share the boat with them. And instead of paying 4,000 or 5,000 pesos, now I can only pay 1,300 pesos. So yeah, I just waited for maybe 15 minutes. It was a good wait, the 15 minutes. Well worth it. And the weather on this side is very nice. Cayo Arena is also on that side. But if you look back, oh, actually the clouds are not gray anymore. The whole day it were only gray and black clouds, but now it's very nice. You can even see the sun. So my Cayo Arena adventure will be a fact. Alright, it's time to get on the boat. They are accompanying me, or I am accompanying them, I guess. Because of them I wouldn't go to Cayo Arena, so they saved me. Let's put my slippers in the boat. There we go. From Playa Ensenada in Dominican Republic. It goes fast. I manage. Oh! Alright. See you! Wow! So deep in the ocean, there is a piscina natural. Look at this. So they are not going inside the water, and I'm not gonna let them wait too long for me. So let's get back in the boat and go to Cayo Arena. Going on here? Too beautiful. What?
El calzado y los chalecos lo dejan arriba en la yola. Eso también. Pero hay que ir para allá. Por entrada que está mejor. Hay que cortar así.
This is the end of the island. Let's walk around. Let me run around the island. I'm gonna run. Circle, a new record. Is there anybody who can destroy my record? I guess nobody. And let me give you a short tour on this island. It is so small and so beautiful and so unique that it's well worth the price. I paid 1,300 pesos. I shared the boat with two people from France. Otherwise they will charge you approximately 4,000 pesos. It's a little bit too much, 4,000 pesos is like, I don't know, 80 euros or something. Actually, it's well worth it, but it's more worth it to wait on tourists and share the boat ride than pay it just for one person. Traveling alone is quite expensive because you have to pay everything for yourself, even though you're alone. And this is the beach. It has a few huts, not many tourists around. Man, I don't even know what to say. And sometimes making videos without saying anything is good enough. The views will tell you stories which I cannot tell you. So just watch while I'm walking and enjoy the scenery. And if you have any questions about this area or something else, just write on the comments. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Amazing. I wonder what the reason is that this island exists around here. How come? As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 huts for 6 boats. We have 3 boats. Not much going around here.